Hello, I'm Dr. Sonal Agrawal. Today we are going to talk about techniques of taking the inhaler because that's the most important part when you're using an inhaler. So an inhaler looks like this. Okay, it is an L-shaped device, and when you get a new inhaler, you open it up and you're just going to press it, shake it up and press it in the air like this a couple of times, and you will see the medicine will start coming out. Before every use, you need to shake it and then use it. Now we are going to use it with something called a spacer. The spacer just helps in getting the medicine down to the right places, that's your lungs. The spacer for younger kids will also come with a mask on the end. So there is a space here, there is an area here where you can attach the inhaler. Once you attach the inhaler, assume this is the mask that comes here. You will put this on the nose and the mouth of the child, covering the nose and the mouth. And then with your 2-3 fingers you push it and let the child take big breaths. With their nose and mouth, she or he has to take 5 breaths. Once that's done, you can give the other second puff and we can resume the same way. If the child doesn't want it right away, you take it away, put it back again and do it. For older kids, you can just use this as a mouthpiece. You'll have your mouth, lips all around it very snugly, and use the same techniques as I've described. Thank you.